One thing about relationships, guys, is really not guaranteed. One thing about relationships, you never know. Even if you get married, it can end in tears. So it has apparently ended in tears for Andile Mpisane and Uthamya Mpisane. They were married, they have like 3 kids. They got married in a surprised, arranged marriage. They just got married in a hurry. So it has apparently ended in tears. This is after people saw that Uthamya Mpisane changed her surname on her social media platforms. She was no longer using Uthamya Mpisane. She went back to her real surname. And people are alleging ukuthi, this is because Sana, the money is finished. The money is finished. As we all know, Mam Kize has been going through some things. Sana battle with SARS, SARS collecting cars, and the mansion is allegedly on sale. Kuningi nje, they are currently going through a lot. So people are just like, I Ugel was there for the money. Now the money is finished. She is just gone kanje. But nje people are just like, no man, this was just a blessing in disguise that the marriage is over, because Sana, it was never gonna work. It was never gonna work. We saw it coming. Like people are just, some are rejoicing that it's over, some are really sad for Utami and Pisani, because guys, how are you going to even start over with 3 kids? Like, three is just a lot, even for her age. Like at the age of 29 years, you already have 3 kids. And I'm just surprised because these people were only married for 5 years. The marriage lasted for 5 years, but 3 kids. Like, yo, it's a lot, Sana. It's a lot. I don't know what was the rush to even have 3 kids. But yeah, they knew what they were doing. And some people are also alleging, because Sana, news have been circulating that Andile Mpisane has a side chick that he got pregnant. They have a 7-month-old baby now. So people are just alleging Guti, the side chick could be the reason the relationship ended. What if maybe Andile Mpisane is now with the girl? This is her. She looks so gorgeous and so young. Maybe vele they are age mates, because Andile Mpisane naye is known for dating people that are older than him. So people are saying ukuthi, maybe Andile Mpisane is now with the new baby mama, no longer in love with Utamia. We don't know. But hey, Sana, relationships have no formula nje. Don't even think because you are married you have made it. It doesn't work like that, Sana. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you think.